Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad MUZAKKIR bin Ismail, and I am from Class A for CDCS 11104B. Today, I will be talking about my individual project, which is mobile application. For my mobile application development, I have created a to-do list application, and my application name is Dalist. The reason why I made Dalist is because it is easier for users to manage their tasks and keep tracking of it. It is actually a game changer because instead of writing it down on a paper, you can just use your phone to add tasks or what to do today. The software I've been using for Dalist is which is similar to Scratch because the coding is just using blocks, and it is suitable for me to make a to-do list application.
Alright, moving on to the app demonstration. This is my sign-in page for Dalist. First, you need to enter your email address and your password correctly. After you have done entering it, you can simply click on sign in button and it will lead you to the main page of the Dalist. First, if you want to make a task, you can simply click on the input box here and you can add your task. Now I entering your task and you can simply click on the add button and it will pop on the task list. After that, if you want to delete or done your task, you can simply click on the task and the message will pop up if you want to delete it or not. Then the task will be removed from the list. Then in the setting page, it will show you the user profile. In profile, it has donate and sign up button. In a donate button, if you click it, it will lead you to the QR code, which is for business purposes. Then you can click back, and if you want to sign out, you can simply click on the sign out button right here, and it will lead you to the sign in page. Then if you want to go in again and enter your email and password correctly and simply click on the sign in button. Alright, if you somehow forgot your password, you can actually create a new password by pressing on the forgot password, and it will lead you to the reset password page. Now, if you want to reset your password, you need to enter your email, your current email address. Then after that, click on send. It will send the message to your email address. If you receive this email, then the email you enter is correct. I will show you the email where the message is sent. Okay, this is basically for your password to be resetted. If you want to create a new password, you can click on here. It will lead you to the reset password page, and I can just update it. Then you can simply click on save, and if this message pop up, then your reset password is successfully changed. Then moving on to the app, you can click on the back to sign in and enter your new password. Here we go. And this is it for my application demo.
Alright, let's move on to the block section for sign up screen. First, I initialize new user for, as add variable, email as stored variable, and user for add stored variable. Alright, for the label swap here, it is just a button for you to click if you want to sign in or sign up. This block is just for you to, it's just a display on the sign up page. Uh, there's a welcome here. Set label welcome to welcome and label sign up, etc. Then moving on to the sign up block. I use a Firebase block, which is a function to connect it to database or store the information in the database. First, for the sign up, if text is not equal to text input confirm password text, it will set the label error. So the error will display if you enter your password that doesn't match. Then if you enter it correctly, it will sign in you to the main screen, and it will store it in the database. For sign in, I also use the Firebase function because you need to call the email password correctly as text, and if you enter it correctly, it will show you error, which is set label error text equal to error. So if you want to keep me sign in, you can just click in on the checkbox here. It will store your basically it will save your email and password. Then it will navigate you to the to-do list page. This button is when you have entered your email and password correctly, then you click on it. It will lead you to the to-do list page. If you somehow forgot your password, there's a label forgot password on the home page. No, I mean the sign up page. You can simply click on it and will lead you to the reset password. Also, clicking on the sign up or sign in button, if the app variable new user is correct, then it will lead you to it, then it will save your information in the database. Alright, moving on to the reset password screen. In the reset password, there's a button and a text input for you to reset password. For the text input, there will be an email. You need to enter your email for your current email to reset password. Then you need to then it will set label error reset text error. Mm, this is this block is just for if you enter your email correctly or not. If you enter it correct, it will it doesn't apply this block. If you enter your email correctly, then it will and send you a message for you to reset your password. For the back to sign in button, it will just lead you to the sign in page after you reset your password. Alright, moving on to the to-do list screen. When you have entered your information, which is email and password correctly, it will lead you to the to-do list main screen. Then if you want to add tasks, first there will be a empty box on the simple list, which is that store a variable list and list from text add variable list with delimiter /n \n. First, I declare the list as store. Then, when to-do list start, it will set list text item to store variable list. Alright, for the function update list, it is for the system to set the list text item to set variable list. Alright, when the button add click, it will check if the length of text input text is more than 0. It will store the variable list and will insert add first as text input text. This means when you enter your task and click the button add, it will pop up on the list section on the list. Then this is when you click on the button add, the button will show you this added message, and will show you the added message once you add the message. No, I mean once you add the task. For the set button text, this is before you press the button add. Alright, moving on, if you want to delete your task, it will call the alert function to show you if you want to delete it or not. This is basically a pop-up message that shows you if you want to delete or cancel the delete. Alright, moving on to the button profile. If you click the button profile, it will lead you to profile page. For profile page, there will be a sign up button and back, and also a donate page. In the sign up button, I use the Firebase sign out function because the database I've been using is Firebase. And if you click on the sign up button, it will set the label error app home stats to error, and it will check your user ID and email, and it will navigate you to sign up page. Then if you click on the back button, which is the arrow on the profile page, it will lead you to the main screen. And if you click on the donate button, it will lead you to the donate page. In the donate screen, there's only one block, which is button back. This is because there's not much things on donate session, because I just input my QR code here for my business purposes. Yeah, that's it. Now I will show you the sign up option, if it is actually working or not. First, I will enter my email. After you enter your email and password correctly, you can click on sign up button. Then it will lead you to the main page of the application. Now I will show you the database I've been using. I've been using Firebase for my database to store my email and password. I will refresh it because it doesn't load. As you can see here, this is my new email right here, and you can now use this email address and password to sign in to the application. This is basically a new user. I will show you if it is working. This is my email and my password, and if I want to keep sign in, I can click it. It worked. Now sign in. We save the password actually. Okay, moving on to the conclusion. This project not only simplifies traditional to-do list methods, but also transforms them into a modern, efficient platform. With it focused on user experience and functionality, the to-do list application is poised to become an essential tool for anyone looking to stay organized and achieve their goals. The successful implementation of this app will undoubtedly lead to improved productivity, better task management, and a more streamlined approach to handling daily responsibilities. I realized that making an application, if it is just a to-do list, it takes a lot of time for me to understand the flow of it, and also a lot of effort to just create an application. That's all from me. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.